Rowing harder does not help if the boat is headed in the wrong direction. How can we expect market or income to grow if we won't allow it to flow? There is a very old Hindi saying which is highly relevant in today's context. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Good evening or good morning everyone, teachers, batchmates, seniors and my dear juniors. I Shama Bharti, semester 6 here to represent the topic digital marketing in agriculture towards change. Growth and transfer of knowledge. Farmers are now having access to modern farming methods and techniques. This knowledge will help them increase their productivity, ability to connect to wider audiences. Digital marketing will be beneficial to farmers to reach out and be visible to a broad range of audiences. Farmers able to connect to a wider audiences. At the same time, they may come in contact with suppliers of post-harvest technology such as transport, storing and packaging. With more than 50% of the population engaged in farming and other allied activities, India is known to be a developing nation with a primarily agricultural based economy. Farmers, the technology adoption rate in the agriculture sector is comparatively low. This may be due to the perception that non-digital techniques are more fruitful in this case. Although there is a whole lot of implementation of advantages of digital marketing in agribusinesses, disintermediation of middlemen. Growers and agriculturists can directly contact the buyers, which reduces the number of intermediaries in the supply chain. This results in better price realization, better availability of crops, and less scarcity. Growth and transfer of knowledge, ability to connect to a wider audiences. Farmers are now having access to modern farming methods and techniques. This knowledge will help them increase their productivity. At the same time, if the farmer is provided adequate training, he or she might be able to share this knowledge with a wider audiences in several vernacular languages by creating his or her blog or website using social networking services to share. We can correlate easily with today's situation, COVID-19, a time when one-to-one connection is prohibited in person. Digital platforms helps us a lot in pursuing either in marketing or in studies. Digital platforms helps us a lot in pursuing everything nowadays. Thank you so much.